Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to change your gummy smile with the laser. We've got an amazing laser. It's painless and it's very quick and very inexpensive. Okay, this is the laser, this is the tip, and basically it works with vibration and with water to remove the tissue. And I'm going to show you how it works. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
All right, so you came in because we talked about your gummy smile. You don't really show a lot of, the teeth could be longer. They look short, correct?
Right.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a laser from her lateral, central, and lateral, just these 4 teeth, because her gum height of her others are okay. So we're going to show you how we effectively use the laser treatment, and we're going to show you the after. See where we have already done this side, and look at the difference between this side, the gum height, and this side. Now we're going to go ahead and do that side. It's that simple, and there's hardly any bleeding. So easy and effective. So now you can see the difference. We totally made the teeth look longer, but all we did is just remove some excess gum tissue with the laser. Super. Did it bother you? Did it hurt?
No.
Painless?
Yeah.
Quick and easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this shows you how you can do a simple, inexpensive laser procedure to make your teeth look longer and eliminate that gummy smile. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Tooth Lady.